Supreme Court of India Registry refuses to accept Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's plea, seeking an extension for 7 days of his interim bail. Registry says CM was given liberty by the Supreme Court to move bail before the trial court. This means that Arvind Kejriwal will have to surrender by the 2nd of June. Kanu is getting us more details on that story. Kanu, it's a setback to the Delhi CM, who has to then go back to jail after the 1st of June, isn't it? So essentially it's going to be the 2nd of June.
Right, Sneha. The relief sought by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has been denied by the Supreme Court Registry. A big reason given for not accepting his extension plea is that the Supreme Court has already given him liberty while reserving the order on May 17 that if he needs an earlier relief or an extension of this bail plea, then he can move the trial court with a fresh bail plea. Because remember, the particular bench which has reserved and heard those arguments on challenging the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal as such is on the vacation and will resume only on July 8th. Sorry. So keeping that thing in mind, the top court had already told the counsels for Arvind Kejriwal while reserving the order on May 17 that they can approach the trial court for bail. So giving that reason only, that the liberty is already granted to Arvind Kejriwal to approach the trial court, the top court registry has refused to accept the extension petition filed by Arvind Kejriwal seeking 7 days interim bail more on the medical grounds.
Moment from now, Kanu. BJP's Manjinder Singh Sirsa is also now joining us. Your reaction to what has happened? The Delhi Chief Minister essentially will not be able to prolong his stay outside of jail. Will in fact have to surrendering by the 2nd of June is what we understand, given that the court has refused granting him an extension, sir.
There was no reason to grant him extension for his bail. Reason being, it was a conditional bail just for the election campaign, and now we want to say him medically fit nahi, and if it is not medically fit, he should go to the jail and get a medical bail again. But there was no, I do not understand that on what grounds he wished to stay outside the jail, when the court has categorically said while granting him the bail that this is a conditional bail for the election campaign only, because it comes in once in a 5 year. So that was the specific purpose for this bail. And now he wants to prolong that. So one thing is clear, he is accused of liquor scam and he will be behind jail. And now after 2nd of June, I'm sure that the trial will begin and he'll be not just in the jail for trial, but also after that also he'll be convicted and he'll be behind jail for a long time.
All right, I'm going to thank you for the moment, for getting us those, for in fact putting that into perspective and sharing your views with us. Ashutosh also is with us for more details on that. Ashutosh, what is going to be the strategy of the Aam Aadmi Party as far as this denial is concerned? Are there any legal options or legal remedies open?
Only if they can mention this case before the Chief Justice of India, but given the court vacation, that's very unlikely, since the registry has already quashed the application and asked them to approach the regular court for any bail or any further relief. So we do not have any official word from the legal team of the Aam Aadmi Party whether they'll be moving to the lower court for further more relief as far as 7 days more relief is concerned. So on that, probably that's one option left for them. That may not be as a regular bail, but maybe interim extension of interim relief. They can move to the lower court. That's point number one. And secondly, the Aam Aadmi Party was anyways prepared that on 2nd of June he will have to return back to the hard jail, and that's exactly the contention during the hearing. They even said CM will not be going to the secretariat. He will not be engaging into any government work, signing or any file, giving any directions. And we have seen ever since he is out, he has been only and only aggressively campaigning, be it in Delhi, Jharkhand, even to Maharashtra, and then for now he is totally consolidating his focus in the state of Punjab, where the polling is due on the 1st of June. So clearly he is busy in the campaigning, and the medical ground that he has sought that he need to go to PET test right after this phase is over. In fact, the BJP very much questioning that if it is so medical urgency, why campaigning? But then Aam Aadmi Party had an answer that he sought this relief from the court only to campaign because it's a crucial election, a crucial phase for the Aam Aadmi Party and across India bloc as well. So he has been spending all his day, every minute of his time only in the campaigning, and beyond that he's seeking for the 7 days of the relief. But that looks very difficult at the moment since it has been rejected by the Supreme Court. The only option to move lower court, and we're waiting for the legal action from the Aam Aadmi Party as and when they take.